Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on REALME GT2. And to do this you will need to open a Google Play Store. Inside find app called Microsoft Edge. Select it and install it. When it's ready, click Open. Here we can sign in to turn on synchronization with other Microsoft Edge browsers. I'm gonna sign in later. Accept or disagree with a data sharing preference and click on Confirm. Lastly, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. And now we can begin browsing, open any website. As you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.